Life is like a journey on a train. We board it at birth, accompanied by our beloved people. We believe they'll be with us forever, guiding us through every twist and turn. But as the train chugs along, we encounter stations that mark the milestones of our lives, and sometimes, unexpectedly, our beloved people step down from the train, leaving us to continue alone. Adolescence, the stormy phase. We face challenges, loss, and uncertainty. Life is indeed like a journey on a train full of beginnings and endings of joy and sorrow.